Welcome to SciTech AI Utopia. Today I am going to tell you about three emerging technology trends, that is quantum computing, blockchain, cryptocurrency, biotechnology with a focus on CRISPR technology. Quantum computing is a groundbreaking technology that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations at speeds unimaginable for classical computers. Instead of using traditional bits, quantum computers use qubits which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Quantum computing applications are cryptography. Quantum computing poses both a threat and an opportunity for cryptography. It can break current encryption methods but also enable quantum safe encryption techniques to protect data. Material science. Quantum computing can simulate the behavior of atoms and molecules at an unprecedented level, aiding in the discovery of new materials with extraordinary properties. Drug discovery. By simulating molecular interactions, quantum computers can accelerate drug discovery and the development of novel pharmaceuticals. Optimization. Quantum computing can solve complex optimization problems such as route planning for logistics in a fraction of the time required by classical computers. Weather forecasting and climate modeling. Quantum computing can improve the accuracy and speed of weather forecasting and climate modeling by processing massive amounts of data and simulations. The challenges to quantum computing include qubit stability, error correction, high costs, and scalability. The solution to qubit stabilization can be exploring superconducting qubits, trapped ions, and other technologies to improve qubit stability. Error correction codes. Developing error correction codes and quantum error correction techniques is an active area of research. Investment and collaboration. Governments, industries, and research institutions are investing in quantum research and fostering collaboration to advance the technology. Hybrid approach. Combining classical and quantum computing to address real world problems is being explored as a solution until full scale quantum computers become practical. The second emerging technology trend on the list is blockchain and cryptocurrency. It does remind of NFTs, doesn't it? Well, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that records and verifies transactions in a secure, transparent, and immutable manner. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is a digital or virtual currency that relies on blockchain for secure and decentralized transactions. Applications of blockchain technologies include digital transactions. Cryptocurrencies enable peer to peer transactions without intermediaries, making it faster and more cost effective than traditional banking. Smart contracts. Blockchain platforms like Ethereum support smart contracts, self executing agreements with predefined rules, enabling automated processes. Supply chain management. Blockchain can improve supply chain transparency by tracking products and verifying their origins. Voting systems. Blockchain based voting systems enhance election security, reduce fraud, and increase transparency. Identity verification. Blockchain can serve as a secure and portable digital identity for individuals, improving online identity verification. Tokenization of assets. Blockchain allows for the creation of digital tokens representing real world assets like real estate and art, facilitating trade and investment. There are some challenges to blockchain like regulatory uncertainty, scalability, security concerns, and integration with legacy systems. The solutions can be creating regulatory frameworks to provide legal clarity and ensure consumer protection. The innovations like Lightning Network for Bitcoin and Ethereum too are addressing scalability issues. The improved security. Ongoing research and development aim to strengthen blockchain security, including consensus algorithm improvements. Interoperability and integration. Efforts to improve interoperability between blockchain and integration with legacy systems are ongoing. The third emerging technology on the list is biotechnology and mainly CRISPR. Biotechnology is a field that uses living organisms, biological systems, or their derivatives to develop new products or technologies. The CRISPR, that is clustered regulatory interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a revolutionary gene editing technology. The applications of biotechnology and mainly CRISPR include genome editing. CRISPR technology allows for precise modification of genes, offering potential treatments for genetic diseases. Agriculture. CRISPR can be used to engineer crops with improved yield, resistance to pests, and enhanced nutritional content. Drug development. Biotechnology advances are aiding in the development of biopharmaceuticals, personalized medicine, and novel therapies. Biofuels. Biotechnology contributes to the production of sustainable biofuels, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Biomedical research. Biotechnology is essential in understanding diseases, studying biological processes, and developing diagnostic tools. Environmental remediation. Biotechnology can be used for environmental cleanup, including the removal of pollutants and contaminants. The challenges to biotechnology can be ethical concerns, off target effects, regulatory approval, environmental impact. Its solutions can be establishing strict and ethical guidelines for the use of CRISPR technology in humans and ongoing discussions involving ethicists and scientists. Improved precision. Research and development efforts are focused on enhancing the precision of CRISPR gene editing to reduce off target effects. Regulatory agencies are working to develop guidelines for the safe and responsible use of biotechnology and CRISPR based therapies. Conducting risk assessments to evaluate the potential impact of genetically modified organisms on ecosystems. These emerging technologies are at the forefront of scientific and technological innovation. They can require regulatory considerations so that they continue to develop and integrate into various aspects of our society. Thank you for watching, and may we become biologically enhanced beings with augmented physical and cognitive capabilities.